Let's look at the back stitch. You can see numbers 1 to 6 marked in front. What do these numbers mean? They indicate how many strands to use. For example, here shows 5, meaning use 5 strands of floss. Here shows 1, meaning use 1 strand of floss. Let's demonstrate with 3 strands. Using 3 strands of color number 8. Come up at left end of line. Take a small stitch forward. Come up 1 stitch length ahead. Go back to first stitch point and take down, creating a seamless line. Let me show again. Come up 1 stitch length ahead. Go back to previous stitch point. Leave no gaps between stitches. Keep stitches close together. Following these steps, continue forward. When stitching, keep stitch spacing even. For uniform lines, this line has a slight curve. We can make spacing slightly smaller to make curve more pronounced. Compared to previous spacing, I'll make it slightly smaller. This will make curve more visible, like the stem stitch before. Perfect for outlining. I especially love using it for lettering. Creates vivid effects. Come up, go back and take down. Let's look at the result. Now for this line below. This line shows 6, so we'll use 6 strands. Using 6 strands of color number 13. Come up at line end. Take down 1 stitch length ahead. Come up 1 stitch length ahead again. Go back and down. Keep stitches close together. Complete remaining line with this stitch. Final stitch back and down. Let's look at the overall effect. You can see with 1 strand, back stitch line is quite thin. While with 6 strands, the line is thick and full. Let's look at different effects from 1 to 6 strands.